Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Askkovid YouTube channel and welcome back to another video tutorial on Python programming. And from this tutorial we are starting our new series of Python video, that is Matplotlib graphing. So when you were in your higher school and lower school, you might have heard about graphing. So, graphing, what is graphing? To plot some points on the line graphically, and that's graphing. And that graphing, we will be doing it in our Python tutorials or Python software. So, without getting set, let's jump right into it and let's start it. And so, first of all, open your CMD or any of your terminal and write pip install. If you have Python 3, you can directly do it. Pip install and Matplotlib. If this is giving you some error, then you have to do something extra. So let's wait until it will be done. Okay, it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. If it's not working, pip install, you have to do 6 and it will be done, and my is already satisfied. So let's jump and create new file and save it as desktop. We save it as matplotlib1.py. okay, so here you have to do is first of all import matplotlib library. Okay, so we will be starting from here. Sorry, you have to do matplotlib.pyplot as anything. I will do is plt. Okay, let's run this. And one function that we have over here is plt.plot. okay, and it takes two arguments, that is x and y. So x and y, and let's create a new variable. X equals to something and y equals to something. So over here you can plot anything like 1 comma. So let's use our x equals to y line and equation 3 and 4. okay, these 4 points are from x-axis and same points will be on the y-axis, 3 and 4. and if I do this much, it will so we have to, first of all, we plotted it and now we have to show it. Okay guys, and let's see. And when we go, so it's not working. Let's do it again. Yeah, it's working. It took time. So you can see over here 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 and like that. And over here you can use anything like this, and you can also drag the views from over here like that, and you can also zoom the rectangle like that. And to zoom out, you have to do is like this, and just click on this and like this you can do. Okay, so we can reset the view as beginning, and here are some configuration that how you want that graph. So we can reset it also. and you can save the figure too in the PNG format. So let's save, and I will like to show you. Okay, you can see it's working. Yeah. Okay, so it was the basic thing we had, and now let's do something exciting. Okay, so next we have is plt.xlabel and plt.ylabel, and this takes one argument, and we can give is like x-axis, next one is y-axis, y-axis, and let's run this again, and you can see y-axis, x-axis, and it's very much important while it comes in many things. Okay, so I think this much for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will be uploading more videos on Matplotlib and other series. We will be starting and continuing the videos, and there are some videos left to upload on OOP and Django framework. I will be uploading soon, guys, and I don't have much time to cover those things. And if you guys have some questions, you can comment down below, and I will try to answer those for you guys. And if you have some exciting questions, challenges, you can comment down below, and I will make a separate video on that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now I'll meet you in the next one.